Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Through Story. In this video, you will learn English by listening to a simple story. This story is easy to understand. It is good for beginners. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Emily. I am from the United States of America. I live in a small town in California. I am an English teacher. I like helping people learn English. Today, I want to tell you my story. This story is about my daily life and how I use English every day. Every day, I wake up at 7 in the morning. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms and I smile. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Then I go to the kitchen. In the kitchen, I make coffee. I love coffee. It smells very good. I also make a simple breakfast. Sometimes I eat eggs. Sometimes I eat toast. Sometimes I eat fruit. While I eat, I look outside the window. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. It is a good morning. After breakfast, I get ready for work. I put on my clothes. I take my bag. I lock the door. I drive to work in my car. The road is busy. Many people are going to work. I listen to the radio while I drive. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to the news. After 20 minutes, I arrive at my school. I work at an English learning center. My students come from many countries. Some students are beginners. Some students know a little English. When my students arrive, I say, "Hello, good morning." They smile and say, "Good morning, teacher." We start with the class. We learn new words. We practice simple sentences. I speak slowly. I use easy English. I say, "My name is Emily. I am your teacher. Let's learn English together." My students are happy. They are not afraid to speak. Some students feel shy. Some students are nervous. They say, "My English is not good." I smile and say, "That's okay. You are learning. Mistakes are normal." I help them speak slowly. I help them say simple words. When they speak, I listen carefully. I correct them kindly. After some time, they feel confident. They speak more. They smile more. This makes me happy. At noon, it is time for lunch. I eat lunch with my coworkers. We sit together. We talk and laugh. Sometimes I eat a sandwich. Sometimes I eat soup. Sometimes I eat salad. We talk about our day. We talk about our students. We talk about life. Lunchtime is relaxing. In the afternoon, I teach more classes. After work, I go home. I feel a little tired, but happy. At home, I cook dinner. I watch TV. I read a book. Sometimes I practice other languages. Learning languages is fun. Before bed, I think about my day. I think about my students. I think about learning. Then I sleep. If you are learning English, I want to tell you something important. Please listen slowly. There is no hurry. You do not need to be perfect. Perfect English is not the goal. Learning is the goal. Many people stop learning because they are afraid. They are afraid of mistakes. They are afraid of sounding wrong. They are afraid of being judged. But mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are teachers. Every mistake shows you a new path. When a child learns to walk, the child falls many times, but the child does not stop. The child stands up again. Learning English is the same. You only need one thing: practice. Practice a little. Practice slowly. Practice every day. Listen to English every day, even if you understand only a few words. Your brain is learning quietly. Read simple sentences. Read slowly. Read with calm attention. Speak English every day. Speak to yourself. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak without fear. Even 10 minutes a day is enough. 10 minutes is powerful. 10 minutes today becomes confidence tomorrow. Do not compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Your journey is your own. Some days will feel easy. Some days will feel hard. Both days are part of learning. When you feel tired, take a deep breath. Rest for a moment, then begin again. You are not late. You are not slow. You are learning at the right time for you. Believe in small progress. One new word is progress. One new sentence is progress. I believe in you. Even if you do not believe in yourself yet, you can learn English. You are learning English. And every calm step you take matters. Keep going. Slowly, gently, one day at a time. Thank you for listening to my story. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me. I hope this story helped you feel calm, and I hope it helped you feel more confident in English. Learning a language does not need to be stressful. It can be slow. It can be gentle. It can be peaceful. If you enjoy learning English in this calm way, please take a moment to like this video. Your support helps this channel grow. It also helps more learners find these quiet stories. If you want to continue this journey with us, please subscribe to the channel. New stories will be here for you. I would also love to hear from you. Please write a comment below. Tell me, where are you from? Why are you learning English? Every comment matters. Every voice is welcome here. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Many people around the world are learning English just like you. Take a deep breath. Be proud of yourself. You showed up today. You listened. You learned. That is enough for today. We will meet again in the next story. Until then, keep practicing gently. Keep listening calmly. And keep believing in yourself. Goodbye for now. Take care of yourself and have a peaceful day or night.